Hi, this is Colin Joss of backroadsmarketing.com. Today I'm going to demonstrate a cool new way of taking dull, unproductive park domains and turning them into content-rich, money-making sites quickly and easily with just a few clicks of the mouse. So I'm taking a site I've had parked for some time, onehourtraffic.com, currently parked with GoDaddy, and I'm going to use a new system, a new site called WhyPark.com. Now I've already logged into my account, and to create a new site at onehourtraffic.com I want to add a new domain name. So simply click here, and it's got two simple steps. The first is to take your domain name and point it at the name servers of WhyPark.com. Now in the interest of time I've already done that, but if you don't know how to do it, just contact the people, the site that you bought your domain name from, and they can tell you how to do it. But I've already done that, so I can move on to the second step. Now the second step is simply setting up the site. First thing it wants is the domain name without HTTP or www. So my site is onehourtraffic.com. You can see I've already been practicing. The site name, let's go with 1 Hour Traffic. The site category. What's your site all about? Well, mine's all about web services, so I'll choose that one there. Site layout, there's a variety of templates, and you can see the samples of them all if you click here. I've already done that, and I like the lime green, so I'll go with that. Next, I choose how many articles I want to be shown on my home page between 1 and 15. I'll stick with the default of 10, and how many related articles I want to show, again between 1 and 15, and I'll stick with 10. Sitemap, I want to show everything on the sitemap. Google likes sitemaps, so I'll go with everything. Now I want to enter up to 20 keywords or phrases that relate to my site. Now, since mine is about traffic, I would have internet traffic. You have one SEO, search engine optimization. Put in the full term, search engine optimization, and stick with that. Now here comes the part to monetize your part site. You can cut and paste or copy and paste ad code provided by Google AdSense, Yahoo, AdBright, or any other advertising network into this block here. So in the past I've gone to Google AdSense, my Google AdSense account, created a new ad block and pasted it in here. Now the benefit of WhyPark is if you click this box here, which I've already done, you can make this an account-wide change. That means it will apply to any site that you change, any site you create with WhyPark. This code here, this advert, will always be displayed in that format. And the same with the bottom ad code here. I went to Google AdSense, created a different ad, different format, pasted it in here. So at the top of the site is going to create a Google AdSense block, and at the bottom of the site it's going to create a Google AdSense block. And that's how it's going to make its money. Now, meta description. This is what Google will use as description when people find your site through the natural search engine in Google. So I probably will have traffic secrets. Learn how to generate massive traffic to your website. Something that will attract people to come and visit your site. Next one, is this site for sale? Well, yes, if somebody offers me enough money for it, it is. So I can say yes, it is. And here we can make this account wide change, which I will do. So I want to say, yeah, any site I create is for sale. Stats code I won't complete just now, but basically you can track who visits your site, what keywords they use, etc., etc., using Google Analytics, stat counter, one stat free. But that's it, so all I do now is click submit. WhyPark comes back and says new domain has been added. Based on your selected keywords, your site will contain 1,384 articles. So it's telling me I now have a site created with over 1,000 articles. If I scroll down, I can see my site now here. Now I'm going to pause the video just now because it takes some time for this to propagate through, and then once the site's updated, I'll come back and show you what it looked like. Now it's still taking a while for the site to propagate throughout the internet, so instead of showing you onehourtraffic.com, I'll show you one I created earlier. It's onehourclickbank.com, which did look exactly like onehourtraffic.com with the page parked by GoDaddy. But now, as you can see, it's a fairly good looking website. Nice graphic, title, navigation, information down the side, Google AdSense here, bunch of articles down here as well, and at the bottom more Google AdSense. So if anybody comes along to my site, finds onehourclickbank.com and is interested in any of these ads, any of these articles, they can read them. But also what we're looking for them to do is hopefully click on these Google AdWords, AdSense, and that starts to make some money. So that's the benefit of this new, fairly sexy system called WhyPark.com. Can take your dull, unproductive park domains and turn them into something that looks like this, and it can make you money day after day after day, even if you do nothing else with that domain name. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, just drop me an email.